In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through Jira and manage your account settings effectively. We'll start with something quite fundamental yet essential, going to the Jira website. For those of you who might be new, Jira is a powerful project management tool that's widely used in tech and many other industries to keep track of tasks and facilitate team collaboration. Getting to Jira is simple and only takes a moment. Just open your preferred web browser and type in the website link or simply search for Jira in Google, and you should be directed to the main Jira homepage. Once you've successfully reached the Jira site, our next step is to access your account settings. Now, why might you want to do this? Well, accessing your profile's account settings lets you customize your preferences and manage your account effectively. Start by logging into your Jira account if you haven't done so already. Upon logging in, you'll want to locate your profile. Typically, this can be found in the upper right corner of your screen. It often appears as a small icon or your initials if you've uploaded a profile picture. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. There, you'll see an option that says Account Settings. Give that a click. You are now in the Account Settings area, which is like your personal cockpit within Jira, essentially. This is where you can control and refine what pertains specifically to your account. Now, not everyone might be aware, but if you scroll through the Account Preferences section carefully, you'll find an option to Delete Account. It's vital to know where this is, even if you don't intend to delete your account right away, as it's about understanding the full capabilities of your profile management. Remember, if you're considering deleting your account, this action is usually irreversible, so make sure you have saved or backed up all necessary data before proceeding with this step. However, if you're just exploring, getting familiar with these settings is important to maximize your control over your account. With these steps covered, you now have a basic understanding of how to get to Jira and manage your account settings effectively, which is crucial for maintaining your online workspace and ensuring your personal information is managed correctly and safely. Navigating and understanding your account settings can empower you to tailor your use of Jira to better suit your personal or team's project management needs. So whether you're here for a specific task or just to familiarize yourself, knowing these steps can be invaluable for efficient and effective usage of Jira. And just like that, you're done. Whether you followed along to make changes or just wanted to learn the process, you're now better equipped to handle your Jira account settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more tips and guides. We'll see you in the next video.